needed in wooden construction?
I think that when we are thinking about, when we are speaking about architecture, we cannot speak about wooden architecture. We cannot speak about good wooden architecture. We can speak only about good architecture, which is maybe made of wood. And those basic problems of architecture, I mean people and environment, they are same. It's same, not dependent on what's the purpose of the construction or what kind of material we use to that. And that's why I don't believe in any kind of specialization. That I think that the one of the basic reasons for this situation in nowadays world is that we cannot look those whole things. We don't have any holistic point of view to things. And if we are specialized, it means that our perspective, it is very narrow, and then we cannot see the main things. That we can go fast, but we cannot notice that we are going to wrong direction.